report to you that 5th grade has finally made it through all 7 of their state tests. Are we ever glad, huh, 5th grade? Because every day we're reviewing, we're taking a test. And yesterday's writing test took 3 hours.
Oh my Lord.
3 hours. So to sit there that long, working on our test, kudos to you. Good job, you guys. Now we will go ahead and turn this over to our 2nd grade class to get us going today.
Please stand. Good morning, everyone. My name is Jason. Please join us in the salute to the American flag. Attention, salute the flag. Good morning. My name is Kenzie. Please join us in the salute to the Oklahoma State flag. Attention, salute, pledge. Good morning. My name is Emma. Please join us in the Garfield School Creed. Say it with pride because we are proud to be Garfield Wildcats. Ready, begin.
Good morning. My name is Jeremy. Please respect those around you and join us in a moment of silence. This is your time to reflect, pray, or simply clear your mind. Ready? Begin.
Good morning. My name is Paisley. Thank you for joining us in the Moments of Assembly. I hope you have a great day. Now it's time now we will turn this assembly over to Miss McLean.
Good job. Thank you, 2nd grade. You guys can go back and sit down. Your class is kind of lucky today. You don't have to worry about doing your showcase, but we will miss seeing all the things you've been working on in class. Our 4th grade classes have been working really hard on a program for us. I have some in denial, but I know that somewhere deep down inside of you, you have worked really hard. Before we get to the program, if anybody stresses out, I am going to read to you what our lunch is today. It is pepperoni pizza, baby carrots, ranch dressing, corn, and fresh strawberries. And thank you all our parents and guests for coming this morning, and we are going to turn the time over to Mrs. Peters.
Okay, so 4th grade wanted to do something a little creative. So our first group will be Miss Huddleston's class, and they'll be doing a skit with the duck song.
Hey. Got any grapes? No, we just eliminated school. Who's versus eliminate? Can I get you a glass? I'll pass. Hey, got any grapes? No, like I said yesterday, we just eliminated, okay? I'm not giving it a try. Goodbye. Hey! Got any grapes? Look, this is getting order. I mean, one makes all the other stuff. Why are we doing it? How about now?
Hey, got any grapes?
That's it. If you don't say wake duck, I'll glue you to a tree and leave you all there stuck. So don't get too close.
Adios.
Hey! Got any glue? What? Got any glue? No, why would I? Oh.
One more question for you.
Got any grapes?
The man said stop. Then he started He said,
Come on, Doug. Let's walk to the store. I'll buy you some grapes. Maybe you don't have to ask anymore.
we walked up to the store and man bought some grapes.
No thanks. But you know what sounds good? It would make my day. Do you think this store has any lemonade?
Our second group is going to be with Miss Glory's class, and we're going to be bucket drumming to a song that everyone should probably recognize.
While fourth grade gets ready, all voices off, please. Everyone should be sitting down and looking forward. Are you still here talking, fifth grade? Does that work? So happy birthday.